Welcome to the Solax instructional installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of Solax HS50E-D. Open the package and check the materials below. Before the installation, please note the following conditions are met. Mark the location of the base. Please ensure the side with R shall be against the wall. Adjust the base first. Then place the level. Install the bracket. Install the bracket onto the base. Drill holes and screw in expansion bolts. Remove the waterproof cover. Install the battery. Tighten the side screws. Install the second battery. Install the bracket on the top battery. Remove the waterproof cover and install the BMS. Tighten the screws. Thread cables through the hole on the cable cover. Connect PE cable to the inverter. Connect the BAT positive port of the BMS to the BAT positive port of the inverter. Connect the BAT negative port of the BMS to the BAT negative port of the inverter. Connect the BMS port to the BMS port of the inverter. Fix the cable cover. Thread cable through the holes on the cable cover. Remove the waterproof cover from BMS. Correctly plug the communication cable connect heat port of the BMS to heat port of the series box. Correctly connect grounding cable. Correctly connect power cables. Connect the BMS port to the BMS port of the inverter. Connect B positive of the BMS to B positive of the series box. Connect B negative of the BMS to B negative of the series box. Connect COM port of the BMS to COM port of the series box. After the wiring for the battery pack is complete, please install the cable cover and corrugated pipes. Remove the waterproof cover and install the series box. Tighten the screws. Switch the BAT switch to on. Press and hold the BAT button for about 1 to 2 seconds to activate the system. At this point, the status light flashes a yellow light every 0.1 seconds until finishing self-test.